Whoa, what do we have here? Second box of the new year. Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what I received in the Zeesea December 2021 box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so yes, I know it's January 2022. However, ZC is a beauty subscription box which comes, I believe it ships all the way from China. If not, what is their excuse? Because I got a notification it shipped, I want to say maybe the second week of December. Anyways, I'm filming on Wednesday, January the 12th, and it arrived yesterday. So hopefully I can get through the box, edit, and post in time for my Friday schedule. All right, enough rambling. Let's dig in and see what comes in this $40 a month box. By the way, I do have I don't know if it's affiliate code, discount code, whatever. I will float it on the screen and list it down below. So if you're interested in just purchasing a product or subscribing, you get a good discount, and I think I get some kind of 5% back, 10%. I don't know. It's a win-win. All right. So what came in this box? Oh, yes. And it's $40 a month. But if you pay for longer, like 6 months out, 12 months out for the subscription, it lowers the price. All right. Enough rambling. What came in the box? Oh, no. No. All right. So we have one of the scary things. Let's do that last. All right. We got something in some bubble wrap. They do a great job of packaging up items. All right. So the first one here. What is this? It is Desert Time. It looks like it's going to be a brow product. Why do they do this to me? It's has saran wrap around it, and if this is a brow product, I will never use it, so I don't want to destroy it. If this is an eyeliner, I would use it, but based off of the shape and the size, I'm 95% sure this is a brow product. All right, is there a shade? I'm assuming Desert Time. It also says sweet something. Something will float on the screen if I can find it. All right. I just so happen to not do my brows. But for everyone else, I'm sure that's a fantastic item. Okay, what else came in here? We have, oh no, another box where there's stuff in Chinese. What does it say? Oh, English. Living Colorfully. This is a liquid eyeliner. Okay, so based on deduction, I don't think they would give us 2 eyeliners, would they? I am torn on. It's good for protection to have products, good packaging, safety. I find it super annoying when I do my unboxings because it takes 50 million years. Okay, yes, 50 million and 1 years later. This is what the actual packaging looks like. Let's see. Does it? I think it has a roller ball. Let's do. Oh, wait. What? Is that the color, or is it a brush tip and the brush is red and no black product comes out? Ooh, I don't know that I'll ever use it. Do I want to swatch it or not? Please have a color. I'm just going to swatch it. If it's red, oh well. Or no. I wish I could have a live poll and you could tell me, because of my hair color, skin tone, if I were to wear red, it would make me look sick or like a zombie. I'm gonna pass on that, and if I can find something, I will link it or post it on the screen. All right, not starting off too hot. All right, next item. It's a big box, and it's light, and again with the cellophane. For that reason alone, I may end up having to cancel this. And of course, it's all in Chinese. No, Deep Gentle Cleansing Balm. Oh, I didn't realize they did skincare. I assume this would be all makeup. I will leave the packaging on. Not saying I won't use it. I may use it, but I have 3 cleansing balms going in my bathroom and numerous in my big pile of Someday Gold 2022 organizing everything I own. All right. Next item better be something I can throw on my face. Ooh, feels like a, I don't want to say palette because I'm probably going to jinx myself. What is this? I see the word ceramide. Oh, are these face masks? Ceramide hydrating mask. Yes. And how many comes in here? 5. I can't. This isn't a very good box for me personally because I don't do my brows and I don't wear a face mask, but I know lots of other people would love and enjoy that product. Okay, now we come to the scary. I don't like opening these things because I get blasted in the face. Although the last 2 times it was nothing and anticlimactic. All right, what is this? Please be a palette of some sort. Pretty please. All right. Ooh, whatever this is, it is very heavy. And I see a symbol, it's holographic, that looks like a, what do you call that? Hieroglyph from Egypt. Hopefully that's one of the really cool items in that great packaging they have. Fireworks, 16 color eyeshadows. Yes. And apparently last month, not on the calendar, the last box I unboxed from them, which was in November, which now I'm wondering, was that the October box? And this is, I don't know. I have 1 unboxing from them. I got like 2 of everything, which confused me. Apparently that is not the norm, and it was an accident that I reaped the benefits of because I was able to keep what I wanted, and then I have items for the giveaway. Oh my god. Hopefully this picks up on camera as beautiful as it looks in person. Oh, there's protectant here. All right, does anyone love? Yes. This is, it feels like acrylic. I don't know. It's kind of raised up. I can feel the artwork. This is smooth, and then this is like bumpy, textured, raised up. Okay. You know something's beautiful when you spend that much time Googling over just the packaging. Let's see how spectacular the color story is. It's as if they got my, phoned me up, said, hey, Wagga Warrior, what colors do you like? What colors do you not like? We'll make sure the ones you don't like aren't in and all the ones you like are in, except for whatever. This is beautiful. They are rather small. Doesn't bother me. But you get 16. So, yes. So there is a mirror. I won't peel it. But look, even the fancy, they put this mirror protectant on. And I can show that's even, there's thought to that. And that packaging is beautiful. Did I just break it? What was that noise? I think it's just the protectant over the mirror. Nothing's broken. All right, yes. 1 item I will love and enjoy. I need to seriously, I think I'll go 1 more. But if there's 1 more box where I don't love and enjoy or can't wear because I'm picky or however you want to call it, the shade's too dark or not, I may have to let this one go. But let's recap what I think is the December box and see what we got. Got a 5-pack of Ceramide Hydrating Face Masks, a cleansing balm, a medium brown brow pencil, a red liquid eyeliner, and a 16-pan eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, because I only pay month to month and I didn't do a year at a time, at $40 with 5 products. By the way, I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total. I don't know that this box is worth it. I will see in editing and something will float across whether I agree with what I'm going to say. But honestly, I think you could pick and choose what you wanted and do a haul from this brand. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I'm super excited. I honestly thought we would get more products like this, and it also could be because this box I only really enjoy and will use one of the 5 items. I'm comparing it to Ipsy and BoxyCharm at the around $30 price point, 28. I do have one more box coming for sure because they're so far behind. They've already billed me for the January, which will probably show up sometime in February. I think I may cancel. I don't know. All right, leave me your thoughts and let me know. Do you enjoy this brand? Are you gaga over the packaging as much as I am? Are you like, yeah, Wagga Warrior, get rid of that now, stat? Because honestly, I'd rather take $40 and do a big ColourPop haul or Elf haul. All right, I think I just convinced myself. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. If you aren't subscribed yet, I would love if you would do that. For those who are, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you're notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor and click that thumbs up, it really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.